Hello, it's Light Time once again. This is Amazon Clothing. We are going to learn how to cut a POLO placket for a senator or KAFTAN top. We have already cut the front part of our top, that is our neck circumference, the back and armhole measurement. They already have a video on this, so the link to that video is being posted at the description of under this video. Just click on the link, it will direct you to that video so you can watch and learn on how to cut a senator or KAFTAN top. So now let's move on to the next step. This is the fabric that I'll be using for the plackets. Let me fold it this way so that I can mark my measurements. Here's the back. So let me have the back on. So now this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to measure here 9.5 inches. 9.5 inches. After measuring my 9.5 inches, I'm going to measure here 4.25. So this is going to be the size of the fabric that I will need for my plackets. So after that, I cut the same size for my step. Good. So now I fold it again. Open it up. Now the measurement for the opening of the placket is 7 inches. So I'm going to measure 7 inches from the top to the spines. 7 inches. After measuring my 7 inches, I'm going to take 0.75 inches on both sides. 0.75 inches on both sides. So this is how it's going to be, 0.75 inches. I'm going to draw this here and have my center line. So after this, we are going to pin it down on our top. So after pinning it down, we are going to seal along this line. So now we are going to seal along this line. we then cut through the thread. Cutting it, I'm going to turn it inside. So after you finish turning it, we're going to fold this part first. Fold it to touch the edge of this place. I'm going to fold this part to touch. Make sure it is at the edge. It doesn't come to this class at the edge of where you see, that is this place. So you make sure it touches. Upper panel and return it to see what we have done so far. So this is how it is going to look like. I'm going to see around this place. So this is how it is going to look like at the end of the day. Open it up like this, close to that. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye bye.